How would you like to earn free PayPal money automatically? What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn free PayPal money automatically. We're talking about passive income, and I'm actually going to share with you two different ways on how you can earn free PayPal money on autopilot. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship, and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so as I said, I'm going to share with you here on how you can earn free PayPal money on autopilot. We're talking about passive income, and I'm going to share with you two different ways on how you can do this. Now, what you need to do is pay attention, watch the whole video, don't skip on anything, because you might miss on something that is important, so you don't do this right. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that you can have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's see how we can earn free PayPal money automatically right here and now. Let's get started. Okay, first we're going to have a look at the desktop here. This is actually an app that we are going to download to our phones, and you can just type on Smart Panel app or Smart app, and you will find it on Google. Otherwise, just go to smartapp.io and you will arrive here. So let's have a look at the details here before you jump over and go to the site. You can see here, if you start to read a little bit, make your interests matter. You join the Smart App research study, and you are going to be a part of an influential network of tech users who turn their data into useful insights and extra cash. So, why you should join in the first place is to build a better digital world. The Smart App community empowers tech users from all walks of life to help improve online services loved and used by millions of people every day. And of course, you're going to be a part of an elite community, extensive community of influencers and research participants in sharing your meaningful insights and opinions. Here are some testimonials from real people who uses this, and basically how it works is that you sign up, you're going to take a short survey to find out if you're qualified to participate in the Smart App research study. You install this app. Once you qualify, you install it and you register devices. I have something for you here, so bear with me, I'm going to explain. You can earn even more money, and of course you enjoy. You keep your devices connected, you take surveys to earn rewards for contributing important insights. So basically how it works, you install this and you let it run there. Now, you're going to have to take some surveys from time to time to earn even more money, but they actually gathering data so they can improve their apps, their websites on stuff that you are using in your daily life there. So let's have a look at it here regarding the privacy, which is an important topic. Privacy. The Smart App runs in the background while anonymously and securely collecting data about how you use those devices. Exactly as I said earlier here. We collect data about the usage of devices, device features, apps, websites, and services. So how it is used, they explain more or less what I said earlier here. Collected in the Smart App research study is used to help your favorite apps, websites, and technology companies improve their services and features for everyone. We do not share any personal or protected information such as credit card information or password with third parties. So that is really nice to know, because a lot of cool weird stuff happening around with the privacy, so they do explain it well here in my opinion. So how you earn is with surveys and giveaways. So these are actually more than just one way. You can take surveys to earn cash, and you get automatically entered in monthly giveaways just for keeping your devices connected. So your qualifying participants can earn $5 for every 30 days your devices stay connected. Plus, there is also some extra loyalty bonuses every 3 months. Let's have a quick look at the frequently asked questions. Basically, if you want to reset your password, if your privacy is protected, they do explain this once again. It is totally free to sign up here, okay? So once the Smart app has been installed and active on at least one device per device category, PC, tablet, smartphones, you can redeem your rewards for the first time here. So you do need to have it installed, of course, for 30 days here. Now, they do explain also if you can change email address and so on here, but have a look at the details for yourself here. Now, I did a research online here. I typed Smart Panel app review. Credit goes to Survey Cool here. They do explain more or less actually that you earn $5 for qualifying for the Smart Panel program, $10 for each device that has Smart Panel installed for the first week. Later on, you earn $5 a month per hardware. So the more apps, devices you have there, you install the app, the more you can earn. And if I remember right, yes, that we have it. Of course, we're talking about PayPal money here. And of course, if you don't want it, you can actually pick Amazon gift cards there as well. So have a look at it for yourself here. Have a look at the details. Do sign up and hopefully you can qualify to get started with this. Now, as I said, I'm going to share with you a second way, and it is actually an app this time also. We are talking about Cash Magnet app. You can find it on cashmagnetapp.com. You can see here you get money from your Android phone. Unfortunately, only available for Android users here. So we pay for every minute of that time when you do nothing, okay? So we have the largest payments because Cash Magnet unites all the best reward programs in one place. You do not need to perform tasks, watch ads or play games. Earnings will come in on absolutely autonomous and passive mode. We're talking about PayPal money, we're talking about passive income here, and it is on autopilot. Look at this. Prepare to earn several times more, only 2 months of working with Cash Magnet, and you can buy another phone. How cool is that? That works for you around the clock. That is how thousands of our satisfied users do it. So it's absolutely safe. We guarantee that your data and personal settings will not be used in any way. So basically you share here also your data here. So let's see if I opened up here some questions. It is an Android app that will allows you to earn extra income while you're not using the phone. Okay, so keep in mind it is an extra income. It's not a full-time passive income. So once again, there is a reason for you to have a look at my number one recommendation later on here. Is it free to use? It is completely free to use and always be. Now, operating system, it is of course Android. Are there any other additional requirements? More or less no, I would say. So how does the accumulation of point works? It takes place every 5 minutes. So the longer your program will work on your phone, the more money you will receive. So if you need to be, of course, connected to the internet, so an active Wi-Fi connection would be preferable. Now, how can I redeem the points? Of course, we're talking about PayPal Cash. If you don't want it, you can pick between Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, PlayStation, STEM gifts or whatever. Here is something very, very cool also. We have a minimum payment of $1. So it means that you can actually cash out really fast here. Now, how long it takes to earn points? Of course, you can earn enough points to redeem for 2 days here. So it goes pretty fast actually. And what are the points and how much they are worth? I think that 10 points is worth 0.01 here, so $1 is 1,000 points here. But you can have a look at the details here for yourself, more or less, okay? How the rewards are delivered, it more or less explains the same thing here. So you can see the status. They do have also a referral program worth to mention here. So you receive actually 5% of the earnings for the person you invited and 5% of the earnings for the person whom your referral invited. Okay, so I think that more or less you can have a look at the details here for yourself. I think that it is the best actually. Go ahead, have a look at it. If you are on your smartphone, just type Cash Magnet app or go to cashmagnetapp.com. Now, as I said in the beginning here, you're not going to get rich with these two apps here that you're going to download. They're a great way to make some extra money on autopilot. I mean, you don't have to do anything at all. But if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship, and much more. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation at my end screen here right now. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.